Everyone, very good morning, guys. So very excited to be here right now because actually I woke up early in the morning around 6 a.m. So actually I went for the takeover shower and then come back at home right now. So because actually just I come actually. Actually today is very special day because actually I just came in the temple of Dada Deo in New Delhi. So guys, do you know that? Because actually here they're here, so actually I'm sitting here in the gardens and right now, so you can see guys the behind are lots of the things and lots of the trees, flowers planted. So a lots the people, a lots peoples the come in this park and all around. So because actually work out and all around and that. So I will share the all things the how to speak English so fluent in. So because actually I don't have more time for the speak English, but actually I'm trying and I speak. You want to and learn English and as well. So I will share the everything here and this park actually and this times is very comfortable here right now. So because a lots of people. So you can see guys the behind me, and because guys the once again, actually, my name is Anil Maurya, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Speak English with Anil. Because actually, I'm learning English, improving, and practice these days to how to speak English. So, guys, do one thing, and you can speak English. You can build your mind. So, because actually, English language is the global language because actually people want to the learn and people want to the speak English in the better, but actually this time is very comfortable here. So because actually guys every day actually I will share in this video the which I thinks and regular base because guys actually I read newspaper every day because in the 10 minute and the 15 minute and vocabularies and I make sentence the little bits the small sentences actually make every day because you can say guys you can do it the same because guys the newspaper is the very helpful for your English speaking. So while speaking English the very needful for reading a newspaper. The headline the newspaper is very useful and that you can read now. And because actually I'm every day I'm trying newspapers or something actually whatever actually I don't have any idea, so I will search on Google and as well YouTube. So because actually if you want to learn English guys, so this is very simple and you should try and speak English and better. The observing anything else actually small sentences you can make for speaking English because actually I told you already and that videos because actually you should try and every day because and you should get up early in the morning, you should get up take a shower and after that go to the alone places and you can speak English. But actually I was not able to speak English and better than that time because actually these days you can see me guys. So because actually I'm trying and observing and all things the whatever I have ideas I am sharing in this video because actually I am beginners. Actually I am not teacher guys. Do you understand? Please, actually I am not teacher but actually I am friend to all. Actually I am learning and these days myself. So because actually if you want to very interested, please like this video and share and please don't forget the bell icon so that you will get notifications soon. So guys, today is very excited and observing the vocabularies, the grammar. So all people's the telling you the very need the grammar. So I know that the grammar is very needful for the speaking English. But actually, first of all, so you can the speak English is you can starting and from the zero level. And I know that whatever you have the vocabularies, you can the learn English. Actually, these days, actually, I am not able to understand to how to speak English. But actually, these days, I am practicing English and observing and vocabularies. And this is guys. If you want to very interested guys, so you can the read in the newspaper. English newspaper is a very needful for you in your future because you can the speak English and improve your vocab and occult, so something that actually I'm trying on these days because actually guys, whenever I started my English journey, it was a very difficult at that time because actually I was not able to speak English at that time. So lots of the people they enjoying me and laughing at me. Actually I was a very sad and that time actually that time was the very something and the everything is wrong in my life because actually I tried a lot's time in spend in the while speaking English, actually improving. So I know that so the people have the a lots grammar knowledge and vocabularies knowledge, but actually people can't speak English. Why? What is the reason? This is the reason means actually people are not trying to speak English. The grammar. I hope that's a lot have the grammar knowledge, but actually people are not the speaking English because actually I'm telling you guys, and you can speak English and you can try speak English every day because and actually little bit the make sentences, the small sentences, and you can read the English newspaper. English newspaper is very needful for your future guys. So you can speak English, and because actually I'm beginner, but actually I'm trying actually whatever I have the ideas, so I will share you and you can see guys and you can try, and this is I hope that you will understand actually this is my ideas. So because actually today I have come in the Spark in the Dadaro temple. It's very famous guys. The people are the lots of peoples that come and the workouts and the walking all around the worship, so something like that. So guys, actually we will meet you the next video. It's a long video today, so I go to before the go, and that's I'm wishing the happy Deepavali to all guys and your family, and this festival, the all India and the great festivals and the people's celebrating in the every years. So guys, I hope you understand and you can try. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you the next video guys. I love you so much. Bye bye guys. See you.